Hey folks, so gonna try and cook a pizza on the pizza stone on the barbecue. So never tried it before, just gonna give it a try, see how it turns out. So yeah, just gonna make some dough in the bread maker first. Thinking that my new barbecue has like a lid thing that kind of helps it to heat up, I guess, and should get hot enough on the pizza stone, but don't really know how it's going to cook on top. Yeah, I've seen these things online. It's like a little pizza oven that you put on top of your barbecue. So might try one of those one day. Do a review. And yeah, probably start heating that up once the dough starts to rise. I think I need to heat it up for about half an hour probably. Does seem to get pretty hot, the barbecue, so should be hot enough for the stone. It's just don't know if it'll be hot enough for the top, because there won't be any heat, coming down. There won't be any direct heat like with the element in the oven or anything. So yeah, see it's broken in half, but still sweet. Just got to put it together like that. Be interesting to see how long it takes to heat up. Got to pre-cook some capsicum too.